The book Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert T. Kiyosaki has become one of the most influential books on personal finance, offering a fresh look at wealth management. Kiyosaki explains financial success by comparing the mindsets of his two dads, a rich dad and a poor dad. In today's video, let's explore 5 big ideas from Rich Dad, Poor Dad that can help you reshape your financial future. Big idea number 1. The rich don't work for money, only the poor do. The wealthy know one thing the poor often overlook. Money should work for them. Instead of trading their time for money, the rich focus on building passive income streams by investing in assets. For example, by investing in stocks or real estate, their money generates more income over time. They're not working for money. Their money is working for them. Big idea number 2. Rich people acquire assets. Poor people acquire liabilities. Kiyosaki explains that wealthy people grow their wealth by acquiring income-generating assets like stocks, bonds, or rental properties. These assets add money to their pocket. On the other hand, poor people often acquire what looks like assets, such as cars, homes, and gadgets. But in reality, these are liabilities because they drain money instead of making it. True financial freedom comes from buying assets that work for you, not liabilities that take from you. Big idea number 3. It's not about how much you make, but how much you save. Your earnings alone don't determine your financial success. It's the money you keep. Many people make a high income but lose a large portion of it to taxes and spending. The key to wealth is learning how to save and to reduce unnecessary expenses. By saving more of your income and managing taxes wisely, you retain more wealth. And that's what can ultimately make you rich. Big idea number 4. Financial aptitude is knowing what to do with the money you earn. Earning money is just the beginning. To build real wealth, you need to know how to use it. Financial aptitude means investing in assets that can increase your wealth over time. Things like stocks, bonds, or rental properties. Financial literacy enables you to make smarter choices, so your money isn't just sitting, it's actively growing. Big idea number 5. Our single most valuable asset is our mind. More than any possession or amount of money, your mindset is what determines your financial success. Kiyosaki's advice? Cultivate a strong financial IQ. A well-trained mind lets you gather knowledge, make better decisions, and ultimately, build lasting wealth. By changing your perspective on money, focusing on learning, investing, and managing wisely, you can transform your financial life. These 5 lessons from Rich Dad, Poor Dad remind us that wealth isn't just about money. It's about mindset and making money work for you. Start today by rethinking how you earn, save, and invest. Embrace these ideas, and you're on the path to financial freedom. If you enjoyed this breakdown, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to join us as we explore more powerful financial concepts and books.